Hello everyone, welcome to Solar. My mother-in-law Debbie invented this shower apron for whoever have a surgical procedure done with a drain to come out of their body. This shower apron hold the drain tooth while one's taking a shower. She wants me to show how to make it on YouTube so whoever needs one can benefit from it. When it's dry, one can also wear underneath a jacket and go outside. This shower apron have an adjustable top. The mesh fabric is lightweight and dry very fast. And there are 4 divided pockets to hold drains. Let me show you how to make it. First, you need to cut a 20 inches by 30 inches material. And then fold that in half. And mark 5 inches of the center. And 13.5 inches from the top to the other side. And cut it off. And the cut is done. Now I'll be folding the bottom up to make a pocket, 7.5 inches. And we're gonna sew the top of the pocket and divide the pocket into 4 and the top. I'm using a cord and a cord locks. The cord locks comes different sizes and colors. And make it 30 inches for the cord, for the top piece, and also for the 2 side pieces. And I also use this extra wide double folded bias tape. We need a length from the top to the bottom and 2 pieces, left and right side. We can pin the pocket ready. I like to burn the end of the cord for a better seal. I did it for all 3 cords. Now it's ready to sew. The first thing we sew over the bottom of the apron, which is the top of the pocket. You can single fold or double fold. I'm using one of the magnetic piece for the guide for easy sewing. After that's done, now we are ready for pocket. First, I basically fold the apron in half. And sew a straight line. Divide the pocket in half. Now I fold this half again to make another line, to show another straight line. So we divide up this side of the pocket in half. So now we got 3 pockets. Now we're making this side in half, do the exact same thing as the other one. This way we'll have 4 pockets. If you enjoy watching my video, please give me a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And now we got 4 pockets. Now we can use the bias tape so both sides, left side and the right side, and we basically sandwich the material in between the tapes and just sew it over. After this side's done, we do the other side. Is that same thing? Now we are sewing the top. We're making a tunnel for the top piece, the cord to go through. We are measuring 13.5 from the top down to make a mark to sew where the cord on the left side and the right side for you to tie around your back to secure the apron. After we finish both left side and the right side, now it's time to move to the cord piece on top. I was planning to use the red cord lock. I find the holes too small for the 2 cords to go through, so I changed to this white one. It's much easier, but I do need help with a needle to push it up. After that, make the little knots. And we both tie around the both waist size cord. And now our apron's complete. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope this benefits someone. I also want to thank Debbie for her contribution. If you want to watch more sewing projects, please check the link here. I will see you all next time.